honey, I'm walking this railroad. What do you think?
Oh, I'm liking this railroad too, honey. We should come here more.
Yeah, I agree. Say, you know who you're behind?
I don't know. Who am I behind?
Why don't you take a look?
Oh, I'm behind John.
Yeah, but he's asleep, so be quiet.
Yes, honey, I am being quiet.
No, you're not. You're talking. Never mind. Let's just say a quick hi to them.
But they're asleep.
Oh, good point. I forgot. Just give them a tap on the shoulder.
You mean driver?
Just tap the engine.
You mean John?
Stop the engine!
Okay.
Jeez.
Boop. Happy?
Yes. Alrighty, honey. Let's get back to our hotel so we can have a nice time.
Yeah, I like that.
Come on, honey.
Yes.